Hello everybody, are you interested in learning Arabic? Do you like to speak Arabic fluently? Are you a zero level in Arabic? Okay, if you are zero level in Arabic and you like to speak Arabic fluently, I promise you, if you follow and watch my videos in learning Arabic, you would be able after a while to start speaking Arabic fluently and easily. Arabic language is known to be one of the most difficult languages over the world, but if we simplify it in a way or another for you, so it would be probable for you, and I think it's not only probable, but I'm sure of this, if you follow my video and follow the tips I gave you, you would be able to speak Arabic fluently. Tip number 1, watch the video carefully. And tip number 2, repeat after me. Okay, so any words I say, especially when you talk about Arabic, repeat after me. Okay, and tip number 3, never hesitate to repeat the videos and to listen to it again. So re-listen again many times. You have to listen to the video again and start repeating these sentences after me, and you would be able to speak Arabic easily. Well, my technique here is not about giving you letters. I'm not going to give you the letters of Arabic language because I am one of those people who believe in learning through sentences and through words, not through letters. So I'm going to start to give you some words and then build some sentences in Arabic language for you, and then you would be able to learn the letters in Arabic after this easily via the sentences and the words. Let's start over. Are you ready? Okay, and please, I don't want you to forget, if you like this video, please never hesitate to subscribe to this channel and press like and write me any comment in the comment box. Okay, let's start. Now, lesson one means in Arabic al-dars al-awwal. Again, al-dars al-awwal. Ad-dars means listen. Ad-dars means listen. الدرس. Now الدرس الأول. الأول means the first. الأول means the first. So الدرس الأول. Now it's not important for you to learn the letters. Okay, just listen to the words. Repeat after me. الدرس. Good. Again. الدرس. The lesson. الدرس. Okay, now repeat al-awwal. Again. Good. Al-awwal. Very good. I heard you. Now, can you repeat both words together? Ad-dars al-awwal. Good. Ad-dars al-awwal. Very good. معناها which means the first lesson. Okay. Now, a boy, a girl, a woman, a man. Now, first of all, you have to know that these articles are only in English. We don't have in Arabic articles. Okay? So if I want to say a woman in Arabic, we only say woman. Okay? And if I want to say a boy in Arabic, we don't say a. We say only boy. So there's no article a and an in Arabic language. We have only the. Okay? Which is al. The means al. Notice the first two letters. A-L. A-L. The. So when I say the lesson means ad-dars. Listen again alone means dars. So if I say al-dars means the lesson. If I want to say listen without the, so I say dars. Okay? So there is no article a and an. In Arabic language we have only the. Okay, now, a boy. So there is no a in Arabic language. We agree on this, don't we? Yeah, okay. Boy in Arabic means walad. Walad. Wa-l-id. And of course, I'm sorry for this, I should tell you before, I should have told before that in Arabic language we start from right to left, not from left to right, and I think you know this. Because of this I don't mention it. Now, Arabic language starts from right to left, not like English language. Walad, wa, this is the first letter, wa. L, like L, and d, like D. Walad. 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 Boy means walad. Say walad. Good. Repeat. Walad. Very good. Say walad. Okay, great. Now, girl means bint. Bint. B-N-T. Like this. B-N-T. Bint. And these are the letters. Ba, like you know, like a blade or something like this, but there is a dot under it. B. Now N is the same, but the dot is over it. Okay? And ta is the same, but we have two dots over it. So this is the first letter, ba, the second letter, N, and the third letter, ta. Bint, girl. Bint, girl. Repeat, walad, boy. Very good. Bint, girl. Very good. Now, a man. A man. Agree again? We don't have article, okay? Man means rajul. Rajul. Again, rajul. Rajul. Ra. Ja. L. Like R. G. L. So, but it's not, we don't say R, G, L. We say Ra. Ja. L. Rajul. Rajul. Man. Man. Rajul. Rajul. Again. Walad. Repeat. Walad. Bint. Bint. Walad is a boy. Bint is a girl. Rajul is a man. Now, a woman. Imra'a. Sorry, I just stepped this before this. Never mind. Imra'a. 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 Woman. Say imra'a, which means woman. Imra'a. Imra'a. Again. Imra'a. Great. You're doing well. Just keep on. Okay? Imra'a. Imra'a. Very great. I think you are a very, very good learner. Again, let's start. Walad. Boy. Bint. Girl. Imra'a. Woman. Rajul. Man. So, let me start again, saying it again. What is the meaning of boy? Walad. Boy. Walad. Girl. Bint. Girl. Bint. Woman. Imra'a. Woman. Imra'a. Man. Rajul. Man. Rajul. Now it's your turn and tell me in the comment whether you know the answer or not. Okay. A boy. Did you say walad? You're great. Okay. A girl. Did you say bint? Very good. Bint. Okay. A woman. What did you say? Yes, great. Imra'a. A man. Great. Rajul. Now, if I want to say I am a boy, I am a boy, or she is a girl, I don't want now to start with third person singular. I'm going to start with the first person singular with first person pronoun, which is I. Okay, I, only I. Now we say in English I am, okay, and is and are with he, she, it, and they. In Arabic language we don't have verb to be. Notice? So it's easy, it's not difficult. So there is no verbs to be in Arabic language. So we say here, I am a boy. We miss the am. We don't say, there is no translation for am, and there is no translation for a. So it's enough to say, I, boy. Now, I means ana. 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 I am. معناها means I am. I am. I am means أنا. In, and then another in, and Now forget about this, okay, Hamza. Forget about it now, it's not important, okay? Later we'll talk about it. Ana. So this one is like this one, but this one without, this one is without this, let's say, sign over this So and then N, like a blade, as I told you, and a dot over it, like bint, this one, bin, n, N. So this is the N in bint, and this is the N in ana. Ana. Ana means I am. Okay? Ana walad. I am a boy. I am a boy. Okay. I am a man. What did we say about man? What does it mean? Remember? Great. You're doing well. رجل. I am a man means أنا رجل. I am a woman means أنا امرأة. أنا امرأة. I am a girl means أنا بنت. أنا بنت. Again, let's test ourselves again. What is the meaning of boy? Come and say boy. Great. ولد. ولد. Okay, what's the meaning of I am a boy? أنا ولد. Great. Okay, what's the meaning of a girl? Yes, great. بنت. Did you forget or know it? Okay, بنت. What is the meaning of أنا بنت? Yeah, I am a girl means أنا بنت. What's the meaning of I am a girl in Arabic? أنا بنت. Great. What is the meaning of I am a woman in Arabic? Yeah, I am a woman in Arabic. What does it mean? أنا امرأة. Great. What is the meaning of I am a man in Arabic? I am a man. أنا رجل. أنا رجل. Okay? So again, these are the basic, let us say, sentence, or the basic, or the lesson 1. This is lesson 1. So if you just follow using sentences, it's not important to start with letters like everybody else. I'm not with the idea of starting with letters. I support the idea that says that we should start with sentences, and then so you can feel that you learn sentences from the very beginning. Okay, so try to repeat this video again, and if you like it, and if you find that this video is gonna be useful for you, please never hesitate to subscribe to this channel and advise me in any way. If you like certain techniques which you may find say useful for you or helpful for you, please never hesitate to tell me about it in the box. Okay, actually this is the first lesson for me, and the idea just comes over my mind to start teaching some Arabic language to people who do not speak Arabic, to the non-native I mean. So if you like this idea, you can encourage me and you can support me using the subscribe channel and advise me how should you learn Arabic language, or what techniques do you prefer to learn Arabic language. This is Dr. Raghda, and I'm very happy to listen from you. Thank you very much, and bye.